Hello friends, this is Supriya, your tarot reader. Today I'm back with the tarot reading for the next week, which is from 14th to 20th of April. So let's start with Aries. Aries, you will feel as if you have lots to do in the coming weeks. You are getting ready to do something which you were already preparing to do. You will feel very confident. You are feeling that it's not going to be easy. You feel that I wouldn't say pressure, but you can feel that heat building up. But you are very confident of the path that you are taking, and you are also getting the card of trust your path. So, whatever you are doing, that is perfect for you, that is ideal for you, it is made for you, whatever, wherever you are, and whatever you are doing in life right now. Don't hesitate, go all in, and you are going to feel very accomplished at the end of what you are doing currently. Okay, so that's for Aries. Let's see for Taurus. What can Taurus expect? Okay. Taurus has, you will have a time where you will either you are getting going for a spa, or you are doing some relaxation activity. You are going to spend on yourself, buy some luxurious items, or spend time with your children or your family, or where you are going to be respected, celebrated, pampered. So you have the card of take a break. So maybe you have been working too hard, or just feeling like taking a break. So do that, and life's work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. That's the message for Taurus. So let's see what can Gemini expect in the current week. So Gemini, you might be having a feeling that I want to do something else. This is not right for me. I am I want to do something else. We always have that feeling of that half-heartedness. Whatever we do, that this is not right for me. I am meant for something else. You always had that, but universe is giving you some accomplishment this week. Suddenly a wish is coming true, which is making you believe that no, actually I am on the right track. Whatever I am doing, that is the right thing for you, because you're getting the card of belonging. Mintakan. You're getting the card of you feel you belong to where you are. So that thing which was missing, which was making you feel that you don't belong here, something is missing, I need to go, that is going to be taken care of, and you will feel at home where you are, or you will realize where you need to be at home. So that feeling of the feeling of like homesickness or something, that will go away, or feeling of no, this is not right, I need to be somewhere, that is going to vanish. So you will feel confident wherever you are currently. So next card is for Cancerian. So let's see what Cancerian can expect. So Cancerian, you are taking a very big decision this week. It could be like getting over an addiction, getting over a habit, or actually physically moving away from a person, or a certain like deciding to fight for something. It's like an energy of like, that's it, I have to do this now. You're getting the card of unbound, releasing soul patterns. So you are like, you have taken the decision, and you're ready for the repercussions. Whatever happens after this point, you just don't care, but you have decided to do something, and you are like in that unstoppable kind of energy. Not because you want to, but you're like, I've had enough of this, now let's do this. Let's see what comes in. So you have that determination, because you have decided to do something once and for all. Okay, so that was for Cancerian. The next card is for Leo. So Leo, you have this energy of that like the old man or something, where you feel like I've been there, done that, gratitude, happiness, and motherly feeling, and being a helper and providing for others. You're coming in that energy where you can see how much you have been taken care of all these years, and the times where things were very difficult. So you feel very at ease with where you are and at ease with where you are going. You're doing it with lot of compassion, and new opportunities are opening up for you. It could be this week or soon. Very good opportunities are coming up for you, and that is making you feel even more like responsible for where you go from here, because you have been bestowed with something which probably not many people have. And you kind of feel responsible for taking care of the people around you, and being a provider for them in some way or the other. So that feeling of compassion and gratitude and feeling blessed, that feeling is there. Okay, the next card is for Virgo. So Virgo, you are realizing that you are doing too much. Maybe you are doing excess of something, and you can see that already things have been lined up for you. Things are very clear for you. You are already doing what it takes, what is needed to be done. You are giving your 100%. So there is nothing to change the course. So you can relax a bit. You can the only thing you are doing is overthinking, and keep facing your true north. So whatever you have decided, now that is your path. You have the card of you are already doing it. So no need to change anything, no need to go in some other direction, or have any epiphany or talk to somebody and realize something. There's nothing to do. The path has been already set for you, and you are thinking that no, actually I should go that way, this way. Whatever you are doing, that is the perfect task for you. And you will because you are very what happens is, when we start something, we are very sure, but on the way, when we come across lot of obstacles, situations, that makes us wonder, did I take the right decision? Am I on the right path? Should I do something else? So here universe is clearly saying, no, you are on the right path. Stop overthinking these low energies. You are sometimes entertaining them too much, so don't do that. You are much above that. You have risen above that. So no need to entertain any other thoughts or ideas. Just keep going the way you are doing it. Okay, the next card is for Libra. Okay, so Libra, there might be, probably you were facing some sort of health issue, or you were facing some sort of, sudden, like there was too much of drama in your life, too much was happening and expected to be done. And so this week, you will feel it is finally relaxing. That situation is finally somewhat better. You have time to take care of yourself. You have time to, just pamper yourself and accept whatever is going on. You are getting the card of deep replenishment, retreat, rest, and be held. So you will feel as if you can now just for some time, that situation, whatever was happening, if it's related to health, you will feel your health is getting better, and you can just come out again and just be yourself the way you used to be. Or if it's something else, even if this situation is coming, you have to realize that you don't have to get disturbed by this. Somewhere we have this idea, every time a situation goes bad, of course I am supposed to get disturbed, of course I would get angry, of course it's natural. It's not natural. Natural is to be calm and use your power and change that situation. But we feel it's natural to get disturbed, so that's not true in your case especially. So let that thing pass. You don't have to disturb your tranquility, your peace of mind. Let it all pass, and it is happening in the divine order. It's happening for a divine purpose. So everything is not our responsibility. Certain things are responsibility of other people, or that's the way it is designed. So let it flow, and you have to maintain your calmness here. By getting disturbed, you are not really going to achieve anything as such. So next card is for Scorpio. Okay, so for Scorpio, you are getting the card of align your life. What is not aligned needs to change. So, somewhere you are going to realize that something is, maybe you are too much in the past, you are thinking too much about your ex, or you're thinking about your childhood things, or somewhere you are not able to let go of something of the past, and that is impacting your current life, your today's situation, it is affecting. So that is going to take a bit of toll on you, unless you decide to like let go of that past and you're done with that, because you're getting what is not aligned or needs to change. What has gone is was no more vibrating with you, it was no more suitable for your vibration. So that's why that those people or those situations or those opportunities or whatever it might look like, they have gone from your life because it was not vibrating. Wouldn't have given you happiness even if that materialized. So don't feel disheartened, or don't feel like all scattered or something. You have to bring yourself together so that you can build what is coming next for you. So that's the message for you. The next card is Sagittarius. So Sagittarius, there is a mood of like a bit of melancholy, or that feeling of okay, I'm a bit of feeling disconnected, or feeling a little bit burdened with the situations, or feeling as if you have to deal with the things, no other option, I have to bear with it. So if those kind of situations are coming, please remember it is just a passing phase. There is nothing so big. Yes, it is important for you to connect and feel that, yes, I am doing what God has guided me to do, or what was best for me. I took that decision at that time. So, accept that you did your best in all the situations that came in front of you, and you don't have to bog yourself down for. Whatever did not work out. Also, you might have a situation where you will feel, yes, I can get this new opportunity, I can do this new thing, but you might feel, what if this turns out to be same like the past opportunities? What if this does not work out? And that energy where you are kind of stalling, you are letting the time just pass away, and wondering, and that feeling of inaction kind of. So universe is telling you that like life never really ends. There is no end to anything. So if something did not work out, it might very well work out later. So you have to give chance to life. We have to play the gamble of life, and again and again and again, till we reach that perfection where we whatever we do is received well by the universe, and universe is helping us. So we have to reach that perfection. There is no escape. There is no like I will just escape, things will be over. There is nothing like that. You are here to receive your joy and love, and you will receive that. That is your the universe kind of owes you that. So it will guide you, it will take you through this journey, and you don't have to sit and wait for something to happen. Things are going to come to you, but you have to say yes to that. Don't be stuck in something which did not work out, or something like that. So message for Capricorns. Okay, Capricorns, there is a sudden shift in your energy, your sudden shift in your attitude. You will feel as if this is not who I used to be. What happened to me? Like, how am I behaving like this? And it's going to be for better. So you have kind of achieved a level of purity, a level of healing which you have received so far, and that is going to bring out a new personality in you. A new person will be born from it, and you will feel much more calmer now. Going forward, your life will not feel so full of, I mean, of course, externally things we cannot control them, things go here and there, but internally you will be able to feel that I am able to sustainably do things. I am not getting affected. Things are very calm. It's okay. I can manage. That feeling of, yeah, how is it happening? So it's the you're getting the card of awakening. So there is something which is awakening in you, which is making you feel very like calm, in control. You can handle very mature energy. So that's the reading for you. The next card is for Aquarius. Yeah. So Aquarius is you are like there is a very important decision which you were supposed to take, and you are finally going to take that decision, and you will feel very once you have taken that decision, you will feel very peaceful, very calm. You will feel as if now you can 100% give your energy to that idea or whatever you are doing. So get ready to prepare for something new venture or whatever you are doing. You are feeling very aligned, very focused, and very goal oriented. You will feel as if everything is coming in order, everything is in alignment with what you are trying to do. You're getting the light card of pillar of light. So you feel as if, like somebody who, whatever you touch, it turns into gold. That kind of feeling, because you are very aligned, you are very focused on yourself, your goal, your ambition, or whatever makes you feel very, you are very sure of what you want, and you are going for a higher position maybe, or you are going for something which makes you stand out from crowd. And it's like you have chosen a path which is more suitable for you, and that itself is, half the battle is won, kind of. So you will feel very confident going forward. Okay, the last one is for the Pisces. Pisces has like that feeling of completion is there with Pisces, where you will feel as if you are now free. You are now free to take a decision. You are now free in a relationship. You are now free in whatever you are pursuing. But because something happened, either you met the right person, or you met the right person in your work environment, or some opportunity just came to you at the right time. Something happened, will happen, or has happened, that is making you feel okay, it's done. Finally it's done. After a lot of confusion and struggle, and like we see sometimes the actor and actresses, they are or the two couple, they are about to meet, then they, something happens and they are not able to meet. So finally that meeting is happening, and after that you feel like nothing can stop you. You feel this, you have the card of break the chain. Okay, so that's it for from me for this week. Thank you for watching. Bye.